In this video, we'll explore what transistors are, how they work, and why they're the building blocks of modern electronics. Let's dive in. What are transistors? A transistor is a tiny yet powerful component made of semiconductor material, like silicon, designed to control the flow of electricity. At its core, it can do two things: amplify signals or act as a switch. Think of it like a faucet. Just as a faucet controls the flow of water, a transistor controls the flow of electric current. There are two main types of transistors. BJTs, bipolar junction transistors. These rely on a small input current to control a much larger current. FETs, field effect transistors. These use voltage instead of current to control the flow of electricity. Both types are fundamental to how our devices operate, but they serve slightly different purposes depending on the application. How transistors work. Let's start with the BJT, which has three parts: the emitter, the base, and the collector. Picture a water dam. The emitter sends out the water or current, but it can only flow if you open the gate. The base acts as this gate, and the collector is where the current flows to. By applying a small current to the base, you can control a much larger current flowing from the emitter to the collector. Now, consider the FET. Instead of a gate controlled by current, the FET uses voltage. It has three parts as well: the gate, the source, and the drain. By applying a small voltage to the gate, you create an electric field that allows current to flow between the source and the drain. This makes FETs ideal for high-speed, efficient switching in modern devices. Why transistors are revolutionary. Before transistors, we relied on vacuum tubes for similar tasks. These were bulky, fragile, and consume a lot of energy. Transistors, on the other hand, are tiny, durable, and efficient. This breakthrough allowed engineers to build smaller, faster, and more reliable electronic devices, paving the way for the digital era. Imagine if your smartphone used vacuum tubes. It would be the size of a suitcase and weigh a ton. Thanks to transistors, we carry powerful computers in our pockets. Applications of transistors. Transistors are everywhere, even if you don't see them. They're the backbone of all modern electronics. In audio equipment, they amplify weak signals, making your voice louder and clearer in microphones and speakers. In processors, they act as switches, turning on and off billions of times per second to perform calculations. They're crucial in power regulation, controlling voltage and current in devices like chargers and solar inverters. Beyond consumer electronics, transistors are also used in medical devices, space technology, and renewable energy systems. Every time you use a smartphone, a computer, or even a basic calculator, transistors are working silently in the background, making it all possible. Fun fact in conclusion. Here's an astonishing fact: the average microprocessor chip contains billions of transistors. Yes, billions. In fact, some of the most advanced chips have over 100 billion transistors packed into an area smaller than a fingernail. That's more transistors at a single chip than the number of stars in our galaxy visible to the naked eye. Transistors truly are the unsung heroes of modern life. Without them, there would be no internet, no smartphones, no artificial intelligence, no modern world as we know it. Thanks to transistors, we're not just living in a digital age, we're thriving in it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting explorations into the world of technology.